Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make a curved text in Canva. If you find this video helpful, then please consider a like and subscribing the channel. Okay, now first of all, just go over here on the left side and click on text. Click on add a text box. Select whatever text you want to curve. Just click on it and go over here on top. Click on effects. Now from here, click on curve. Now as you can see, the text is curved now. You can increase it and decrease it. You can set it according to your need. So that's it for the video. That's how you can curve text in Canva. Thanks for watching.